I want to show you how you can use the Google Keyword Planner to find the best keywords for your website. So the first thing that you have to do is log into your Google Ads account. In order to use the Google Keyword Planner, you must have a Google Ads account. That doesn't mean you have to run ads, but you just have to set up your Google Ads account. So I am going to click on the Google Apps, and I am going to go down to Google Ads, and it's going to load my Google Ads. It's going to ask me to sign in. And once the screen refreshes, you'll see that I'm inside my Google Ads account. So the first thing that we want to do is click on Tools. And then from Tools, you'll see the Keyword Planner pops up. And what I want to do is discover new keywords. And so I'm going to click on Discover New Keywords, and there's two ways you can do it. You can start with some keywords that are relevant for your products or services that are related to your business, or you can start with the website. The good thing about starting with the website is that it will look at the content that's on the website and help you to come with some words that are relevant. So I'll show you both ways. We're going to start with some keywords. I will do this on my business, Structure Over Chaos, and what I do is implement automation so that business owners can work more efficiently without all of the overwhelm from having to do multiple manual tasks. So I am going to start off with Zapier because that's one of the automation tools that I use. I'll put Make in there as well because that's another one that I've used. I'm going to say automated workflows. These are some things that I do every day. So I'm right now to figure out the keywords that are going to work best for me. I am going to put in some of the things that I do daily. So Zapier is something that I use. Make is another tool that I use. Automated workflows. Then I also want to say business processes, because that's what a workflow is. It's also a business process. So I'll start off with just those 4 words. So right now, I can just click Get Results, and it's going to give me some results related to those words. Or if I want to make sure that it narrows down some of the words that it suggests, I can put my website in there, and what it's going to do is look at my website, look at these words, and then give me some keywords that are most related to these that I'm putting in the box. So right now I'm just going to do Get Results. Now it's telling me that I may want to broaden my search and add integration platform, integration software, or a workflow automation app, cloud integration platforms. So it's given me some other ideas that I can include. So I am going to stay with what it has so far. Notice for Zapier, it's telling me that Zapier is searched at least 100,000 to 1 million times a month. And in a 3-month change, it has not. So that's literally how many times someone is searching on Zapier, anywhere from 100K to 1 million times a month. The year-over-year change has not, and my competition is low. So that means there's not a lot of keywords that are using Zapier. It's telling me if I want to get to the top of the page, and again, this is as if I'm going to run ads, but I'm also going to use this for content that I create. I'm going to make sure I include these keywords. So if I were to run ads to get to the top of the page, meaning the first page results, it would cost me only $3 per ad result if I want to get to the top of the page. That's pretty good. Make has about 10,000 to 100,000 searches per month. And again, my competition would be low. automated workflows. So in a month, you have about 1,000 to 10,000 searches on automated workflows, the same with business processes. So this gives you an idea of what keywords I can use if I want to rank higher, because my competition is pretty low on the things that I'm interested in. Onboarding software for small business. That's searched on 100 times to 1,000 times a month, but my competition is very low. If I look at process mapping software, that's searched 100 times to 1,000 times, but my competition is medium, meaning there are now content out there that's using these keywords. So this is a way that you can use keywords. So we're going to go back and we're going to click on Discover New Keywords again, but this time we're going to start from a website. And I am going to start from my website. So I'm just going to put my website in. Feel free to visit me. I'd love for you to take a browse and see all of the ways that we can work together. So now it's looking for my website. It's not asking me to broaden the search results, and it's giving me almost a year of data. And it's telling me that there are 52 keyword ideas that are available. So I can use business systems, automate your business, automation business, business technology. All of these are telling me approximately how many searches occur per month on these keywords. Systems to run a business. My competition is medium because there are people using that. Notice it would cost me $14 per search result. So these are ways that you can use keywords to understand how to categorize the content that's on your website and which keywords to use when you're creating content. These are two simple ways that you can use the Google Keyword Planner, and it is free to use, but you must have a Google Ads account to do so. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to answer any questions that you have.